Dust swirls around Usman as he walks the small town street, a lone figure amidst the judging eyes of gossiping townsfolk. His lips move silently, a serene mask over inner turmoil as he whispers, "Ya Allah, grant me what is best for me." A chorus of cynical voices rises, shattering his peace. Prayers alone won't help you. Usman's calm face betrays nothing, but the weight of their words hangs heavy in the morning air. Under harsh fluorescent lights, Usman types, his brow furrowed in concentration. The room stills as the boss steps up, his grim announcement hanging in the air. Usman's name echoes, a wave of disappointment barely visible on his stoic face. He gathers his meager belongings, each item a testament to dreams deferred. Head bowed, he whispers a prayer, surrendering to Allah's plan with quiet dignity. In Usman's small home, shadows dance in the dim light, underscoring the solitude of his humble dwelling. Usman sits alone, resisting the pull of despair, his gaze fixed on a distant, hopeful future. Even in solitude, Usman's mind races, seeking opportunities amidst the quiet desperation. A quiet strength emanates from Usman as he reflects on his unwavering faith. A silent prayer forms on his lips, reaffirming his trust that Allah will provide. Usman finds solace and strength in his faith. A beacon in the dimly lit room, Usman arrives at his new workplace, its modern architecture a testament to success and dignity. Colleagues greet Usman with warm smiles, their genuine respect palpable. He is offered a well-paying job, the terms exceeding all expectations. A profound smile dawns as Usman realizes Allah tested him only to bless him beyond measure. Sunlight bathes Usman's face as he whispers, "Thank you, Allah, for your endless blessings."